Hey guys, Barrett with CorkSport here. So I'm out driving around with the new CorkSport Leather Shift Knob installed. I thought I'd just share with you guys some of the things I love about it. Manufactured from Delrin and hand wrapped and stitched in genuine leather. The CorkSport Shift Knob has a real nice plush feel to it, and the shape is really nice for both side shifting and holding onto the top. Probably the best part of the shift knob though is at 320 grams, it really helps you just flow through those gears.